The digital world is moving faster than ever. Trends come and go in days. Algorithms change overnight. And what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. But relevance isn't about chasing trends. It's about mastering evolution. Step 1, focus on principles, not platforms. Most people build their strategy around tools, but tools change. Principles don't. Platforms rise and fall, but human connection, trust, storytelling, and value will never go out of style. Don't anchor your identity to a single platform. Anchor it to your purpose. When you understand why you do what you do, you can adapt how you do it endlessly. Step 2, stay curious, not comfortable. The biggest threat to relevance isn't competition, it's comfort. The moment you stop learning, you start losing momentum. Be a lifelong student of your industry. Experiment with new tools. Try new formats. Curiosity keeps you young in a digital world that rewards innovation. Step 3, adapt without abandoning your identity. Change doesn't mean losing yourself. It means evolving the way you express your message. When a new platform or trend appears, ask, how can I bring my voice to this space? Not, how can I copy what everyone else is doing? Trends fade, authenticity compounds. Step 4, build skills that compound over time. In a world obsessed with hacks and shortcuts, skills are your real superpower. Learn skills that outlast algorithms: communication, creativity, strategy, and emotional intelligence. While technology changes, people still buy from people. Invest in mastery, because it never goes out of fashion. Step 5, listen more than you broadcast. The creators who stay relevant are the ones who listen. They pay attention to what their audience feels, needs, and struggles with. Relevance isn't about being loud, it's about being in tune. When you understand your audience deeply, you can evolve with them, not apart from them. Step 6, evolve faster by letting go sooner. Sometimes what got you here won't get you there. A strategy or identity might need to evolve. Letting go isn't failure, it's freedom. The faster you release what's outdated, the faster you can adapt to what's next. Evolution rewards flexibility, not fear. Step 7, lead with timeless energy. The world doesn't need you to be the trendiest. It needs you to be the truest. Lead with values, serve with intention, and bring your humanity into everything you create. Relevance isn't about being everywhere. It's about being essential wherever you are. You don't need to chase relevance. You need to embody it. Stay curious, keep learning, and stay grounded in what matters most: authenticity, service, and connection. In a world that changes every second, the most relevant thing you can ever be is real.